Ever feel like traditional banks nickel and dime you with hidden fees? Monthly maintenance charges, ATM withdrawal fees, international transfer markups, the list goes on. As a freelancer or small business owner, every penny counts. That's why so many are turning to new age financial solutions like Lili. But wait, is Lili truly a free ride to financial freedom? Or are there hidden costs lurking beneath the surface? Buckle up, because in this video, we'll be dissecting Lili's fee structure, uncovering the free plan's limitations, and exploring the paid options to see if they offer the features you need. So, let's dive right in. Does Lili have a monthly fee? The answer depends on the plan you choose. Lili offers a tiered system, catering to different business needs and budgets. The free option, Lili Basic. Let's start with the good news. Lili boasts a free plan, the Lili Basic. This plan is perfect for freelancers or sole proprietors just starting out. It offers the essentials, a business checking account, a Visa debit card for spending and ATM withdrawals, and the ability to receive direct deposits up to 2 days early. Here's the beauty, there's no minimum balance requirement to maintain your free Lili Basic account. This means you can keep your business finances separate from your personal accounts without worrying about falling below a threshold and incurring penalties. But, as with anything free, there are limitations. Lili Basic keeps things straightforward, but it lacks some advanced features you might need as your business grows. For instance, you won't get access to tools for expense tracking, tax categorization, or integrations with popular accounting software. Upgrading your Lili account, paid plans. If you crave more functionality, Lili offers several paid plans to level up your financial game. Here's a quick breakdown. Lili Pro. This plan sets you back $4.99 per month. It includes all the features of Lili Basic, plus automatic expense categorization, tax write-off tracking, and the ability to create and send invoices. Lili Smart. For $35 a month, Lili Smart offers everything in Pro, along with some serious business management muscle. You'll get access to smart bookkeeping tools, financial reports, unlimited invoicing and payment processing, and even pre-filled business tax forms. Lili Premium. This is the top-tier plan, priced at $99 per month. It includes all the bells and whistles of Smart, with the added benefit of a dedicated customer success manager to guide you through your financial journey. Choosing the right Lili plan for you. So, which Lili plan is right for you? It boils down to your specific needs. If you're a solopreneur just starting out, the free Lili Basic might be all you need. But as your business scales, the ability to categorize expenses, generate invoices, and manage taxes becomes crucial. In that case, upgrading to a paid plan like Lili Pro or Lili Smart could be a wise investment. Beyond monthly fees, additional costs to consider. While Lili's fee structure is fairly transparent, there are a couple of additional costs to keep in mind. The first is international transactions. If you frequently deal with overseas clients or vendors, be aware that Lili charges a 1% conversion fee for currency exchange. Secondly, if you rely heavily on cash and need frequent ATM withdrawals, it's important to note that Lili only reimburses out-of-network ATM fees up to a certain amount each month. For high-volume ATM users, this could be a deal-breaker. The good news is that Lili caters to a range of budgets and business needs. Whether you're a freelancer on a shoestring budget or a growing business requiring advanced financial tools, there's a Lili plan that might be a good fit. Remember, the free Lili Basic plan is a fantastic starting point. However, as your business flourishes, the convenience and efficiency of features offered in the paid plans could be invaluable. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your financial priorities and the needs of your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.